Assalamu alaikum. Today we'll discuss about loops and cases in bash scripting. So now first we created a bash file and entered the code. The bin bash /bin bash is a library file which contains the basis of the code. Like when we write a code in a C++ language, we write hashtag include iostream. So that library contains the basis of that code, or we run that code from that library. That library contains that code. So we are writing a program to sum two numbers. So first we echo first number. So after that we are writing dash and that dash, and when we read the first number, that dash and reads that number in the same line, then we are printing the second number and reading the second number, that is B. So after that we are writing sum equals to A plus B and bracket close. After that, writing a comment to show that we are printing the sum of two numbers, and then echo and sum where we are calling the variable sum. Then by pressing Ctrl X and Y to save the file, and then bash and the name of the file to execute the commands which are written in bash, and then inputting first number and second number, and the sum of both numbers are displayed. Now we are creating another bash file using nano command, and in that file we will use multi-line comment. So here the multi-line comment is the following script calculates the square value of the number. We can print the area of a number by inputting that number. Let's suppose we enter read A, and then we will replace 5 into 5 with A into A, and then echo the variable area. And after saving the file, we will enter bash and the name of the file, and when we print it, it will ask you for to input a number. I input 9, and then the area of the number 9 or the side 9 is 81. Now we will learn how to write a bash program to run a loop. So let's create a file, nano loop.sh. Then first we enter the header file bin bash. Then we will enter a variable valid and its value true, and after that enter variable num equals to 1, and after that starting a loop while with condition valid, and it will run till the valid is true. Then writing do and echo the variable number. After that writing if statement. In that statement the loop runs till the number is not till the number is equals to 9, and if it's equals to 9, then the loop breaks, and it will continue to execute till the number is less than 9, and at the end of the loop there is increment in number. And after saving the file, writing bash and the name of the file to execute the commands, and there is an error. So let's check where is the error. Writing again nano name of the file. So here we have to be very careful while writing a program, because a single mistake can cause an error. So adding the spaces on the left right of the valid, the error is removed, and it is printing the numbers from 1 to 9. Now writing another program, bash script, to execute the commands using for loop. So first we are executing the library file or the header file. Then starting the for loop. The given condition is that num equals to 10, and it will execute till the number is less than 20. Then by increment in the number by 1 num plus plus, then do an echo num equals to dollar num, that means that the value of the variable num, and then done, and we will press ctrl-x and save it, and now execute it. So it's showing an error. So let's check what's the mistake. Okay, there is a mistake in equals to, but it's again not running. Okay, there's a sign mistake in less than and greater than. Now it is executed and printing the numbers from 10 to 19. Now we will write a program to execute commands using case statement. So now creating a file, nano case.sh, the header file bin bash echo number, but executing the number in the same line. So we are writing -n, reading the number, writing case syntax case, and the number and variable with whom the cases will be tested or checked. So the first case is when it's equals to 70, echo B grade, and when it's equals to B grade, and when it's equals to 75, then echo B plus grade. When it's equals to 80, then echo A minus grade. When it's 85, then echo A grade. When it's equals to 90, then echo A plus grade. Then at the end of the cases, there is a default case, which is star, and in that case echo you failed the exam. And when the cases end, we will write ESAC and saving the file and executing it, bash and case. We will enter the number, and there is an error in line. Let's check. Okay, here the semicolons are missing at the end of each case. After echo, we have to add a semicolon after each case. So this is causing the error. Now After adding the semicolons, again saving the file and now executing it. Enter a number. So when it's equals to 70, it's printing B grade, and when it's equals to 50, it's printing you failed the exams. And when we print right 90, it will print A plus grade. So we learned today how to execute loops, statements, and cases.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.